Hello guys, in this video I'll show you Emergent company. Emergent AI has running this contest of $100 of free prizes that they will distribute. So I simply got this email. The competition name is called Builder Fest. It's specifically for developers, programmers and coders all around the world. So it's available for every country in the world. So if you are registered with Emergent AI, you will get this email. So basically, it's developed by this person, Kevin O'Leary. So you have a chance to actually win $100, $100,000. So basically, the first person who wins the contest will get 50,000 of dollars. The second one will get 20,000. The third one is 10,000. So basically, all these winners up to 100 position will also get $100 each. So for this you need to accept the invite. As soon as you do this, you will be redirected to app.emergent.sh. So the competition will carry on until 31st of August 2026. So it's 9 days remaining in the contest. So directly go to the website, accept this invitation. So click on accept invitation and enter into this contest. So how it works? So basically, as I already showed you, the first person who wins the contest will get 50,000 of dollars. So contest runs from 17th August to 31st August. Builder Fest it is called. So right here you click join the contest. You basically build your app from a simple prompt, publish it and submit your entry. After that, rally your community to upload your build and boost your chances of winning. Top entries with most votes just just by judged by a group of experts. So click on join the contest. It is totally free. So once you click it, you will get this notification you are in. Show us what you have built. So you click on start building, and through AI inside you get free 10 credits once you sign up. So right here you can build out anything related to the contest. So let me just build out a image to PDF web app in browser. You can build out any kind of application. So make sure that you build out some unique application which is not built by anyone. And this AI platform will build out your application from the prompt. So in the free plan you get 10 credits. So once you build the app, you simply click publish so that you actually join the contest. So basically now it has created the application. You simply answer the questions, what features you want inside the application. So as you see, I answered all the questions, what sort of application, what features you should want in the application. So now it is preparing this application. Once it completes, it will show you the live preview. So this is the contest guys available for everyone in each and every country. So definitely just join this contest and submit your app and just wait until 31st August, and if you are lucky you will be paid by this company. So once it completes, you will see the live preview of the application right here. So this is the contest guys. Definitely join this contest Builder Fest and from Emergent AI.